I'm Faizan.
I'm Kenny.
And today we're going to unbox some samples. This is the first time that all 200 of my viewers have seen you.
Hello, I'm Kenny. I'm 6'4".
Kenny's going through something right now. Oh! There are a lot of long-awaited samples in this box. The first thing that we're sampling is new knit jerseys. What are some of the updates, you might be asking yourself?
Numbers. No numbers. Who knows?
That's the question.
I actually really like that.
We've made some small...
Ooh, I like that
Oh,
too.
this is the Columbia jersey. Our previous Columbia jersey was really just this base yellow color with some of this blue detailing on it. But now we've added these like diamond patterns on the shoulder, as well as these 4 stripes on the back and the 2 stripes.
God.
That's a change that we've made for all of the jerseys, but okay.
I like a lot.
Oh, beautiful. Like headline product right here, the Argentina jersey. As you can see right here, we are sampling each of these jerseys without the number on it. That's what it looks like without the number. We've added, you know, a signature detail to each one of the jerseys. Before we kind of felt that while the design was unique in that it was a knitted jersey, there was still something missing. We've added 4 lines on the back, 2 lines on the shoulders, right here.
32, you get it? I'm 6'4".
Oh wow, yeah, this one does, I would say. You think that it like kind of balances out a
Yeah,
little bit more.
because the original one is just yellow with
I
like
agree,
a
I
little
agree.
bit of green.
Yeah. How does it feel?
Wait, lift up both armpits.
Yeah, I'm personally most excited about the Mexico one, and you'll see why very soon. Beforehand, our Mexico jersey was just solid green, had a little bit of red on it, but it was completely green. And now, see that right there?
Wow.
4, 2.
Wow.
This piece, we're trying to pay homage to the Mexico jersey.
Yeah. Oh, it's the netted sweater.
The netted sweaters. Oh, see? And you see how aggressively he strips when he hears netted sweater? That is how your girlfriend is going to react. Context. So I've made a video before on the netted sweater. Before, we only had the sample with no details on it. It was literally just like the blank sweater by itself. With that one, we were just testing the sheerness, the fabric, etc. But with this one, we're actually testing the patterns and the designs and stuff like that. So we've tested a couple different ones. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful.
Wait, this is really
Oh,
nice.
it is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's sheer.
Yeah, see, it was just the variation.
You're witnessing our first reactions to a lot of these samples. I like black on black. It's subtle. Let's see it on... No, you can see it on camera.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I just entered the...
Oh, no, that's all right. This one does not have the thumb holes on it. Full body shot.
Oh wow, this one feels real good.
This one is very thick.
The stripes on the side.
And this white contrasts a lot more with the black than the other one because of the knit.
Cause it's solid.
I haven't worn one that has the thumb holes on it yet. I just love this.
He's looking for the thumbnail.
Oh, it's definitely sheer.
This one's definitely sheer. This one's as sheer as the first one, as the view one. Room so far likes the black on black the most. Personally, I like the white on black, but it's just not as sheer. But if it was, then I think this would be my favorite. Thank you guys for joining this edition of Sample Unboxing. My name's Kenny.
My name's Kazi.
We'll be seeing you next time.